Why do you always give me broken ones?
No, not like that.
Salam alaikum. It's Dr. Jerry. And Saja, my lovely wife.
Hi.
So we're going to talk to you today about making one of my favorite dishes.
Yes.
Wara'a Enab.
Wara'a Enab.
Wara'a Enab.
This Wara'a Enab.
This Wara'a Enab.
What's your mom she called?
My mom calls it grape leaves.
Yeah.
So I get asked a lot of times, what's my ethnicity? And I'm from an Italian background, but always loved the Mediterranean food, and Wara'a Enab, one of my favorites, even as a boy.
Yeah. But you like it with vegetables?
I like it with
Or
vegetables.
Alinji, we call the alinji. Now I try to make for you with ribs.
So we're gonna make it with some ribs.
And garlic, because you like ribs.
Ribs and
We will
garlic.
try. Maybe you will like it more than
Okay,
vegetables.
we will try.
And with rice and meat. Okay.
I'm always open to exploring new food options.
Yeah, and
Thank you,
here
Habibti.
I get that. You will come. I get that from my mom in Syria.
In Syria.
Our farm, very soft and very delicious, sour, better than the supermarket one. Too much better because of fresh.
So these are
But
fresh
very small.
off the
She
farm.
make favor for me. She give me very small one and young grapes leaves because she love me. But hard work. For me.
Shukran, Mama.
Shukran, Mama. But so hard work for me. For that, I will put two because very small. And if you see, I did a lot here. Like I don't know culture and my country. They like to make it very small for to be easy for women to eat. Like one
One bite. One bite. One bite.
But like this really punishment to do very small one. I finish all that and now we will try together to do little bit. You put
Oh, hands on.
rice inside.
Oh, that's just a little.
Yeah, because don't forget the rice. It will be
Riza.
the riz.
Riz.
The riz.
Getting
will
closer.
Yeah. Can you help little?
Oh boy, here I go.
Yeah, just put for
Yalla.
me like this.
Okay, I do this. Is this good?
Not a lot. Leave it.
Wow, she's mad at me already.
No. Yes. And here, please.
Oh, sure.
And look high, I will cover it.
Oh, hang on.
And the flip.
There you go. Riz.
Riz. Yes.
Yalla.
You are happy you learn now riz.
Shwaya, shwaya.
شوي شوي.
And you roll it up?
Yes.
Can I roll it up?
Yes.
So, is there a way to roll it this
Yes.
way or what?
You have to go, listen.
Which way?
This side.
Yes.
and This
So I
side.
go this side.
No.
Oh.
You have to put this side here
Okay.
and this side here.
It's like putting it to bed.
Yes.
Go sleep.
Yes. Cover this side
Yeah, cover.
and roll.
And roll.
Roll down, down.
What about
down
this? I
to
roll
the
this
last.
side?
Yes.
Okay, so I roll. No, mine's broken. Why do you always give me broken ones?
I give you the first one for you know how to do it.
It's not right. What happened?
Happened
It's
is,
defective.
yeah, let me check. You have to always, in your way,
Ah.
to keep it inside.
Keep it inside.
Yes, and look, continue.
Okay. Wara'a.
Thank you. Good one. Can you try this?
Sure, let's do it. Well, let me do it. Oh my goodness, she won't let me do anything. She treats me like a little baby. Okay. And we roll it inside. And we do this. Oh, no, that's bad. But he's not quite good.
Fine?
Need a little practice.
No, it is fine. But this one you will eat.
Okay. I will eat it because I have a big mouth.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just put rice for me and I will roll it all.
So, the rice.
No, baby.
Oh, I didn't know this special way to do it.
Yeah,
You have to.
this side.
Oh, it only goes across. Okay, so like this. Yeah. Is that okay or no?
Fine.
Is that more?
No, enough.
Yeah? Wara'a Enab, Wara'a Enab. Okay, fold.
This side
Yes.
and this side.
And then I roll.
Not too much. You have to keep it little loose.
Okay, okay.
Good. Perfect.
So we finished rolling all the Wara'a Enab, and in this time where we encourage you to stay home, this is a perfect together project that you can do. Very time consuming to roll up all the vine leaves. But remember, as your chiropractor, to use good posture, because otherwise you'll suffer from neck and shoulder pain. But that's okay, I'm always here if you need to make an appointment. So take us through it. What do? We got the...
Now after we finish, yeah.
We have the ribs, yeah?
Ribs and garlic, because I don't put fresh garlic, just freezing.
Okay, frozen garlic,
Frozen,
yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna take the Wara'a Enab,
I have to put it nicely
and she's gonna put it in there.
on the top.
So you just put it across randomly or what? Just on top, yeah?
You will like it, I think, with different.
Smells good already.
I hope so.
Inshallah.
After I have the garlic,
Yeah.
now I need to make sauce. It
Okay.
will be like normal water,
Yeah.
not red. And I will put the black pepper with salt, with the garlic and herbs. And I have sauce with lemon, garlic and lemon, and olive oils for it will give nice color.
And then cook it for how long?
Maybe 45 minutes or 1 hour.
And then we can eat.
Yes.
Thank you, Habibti.
The garlic nice with vine leaves. I will put just like 1 spoon.
And what about the salt?
Salt.
Can I do like this?
You are not Muslim. You are Jewish.
I'm Jerry.
Okay.
Again?
More? Yeah.
Oh, more.
Yeah, please. No, please. Don't do that.
Why?
Sorry. Thank you. Okay, now we will try to put the sauce slowly. Hold this for me,
Okay.
please.
Slowly, slowly.
Like around for. Can you smell?
Yes, it smells very nice.
Yeah, it's so good. All the salt and pepper here. Yes, I think we need more water, please.
Oh, more water.
Yeah, more water
Oh.
because we have to cover it water.
Okay, so covered with water. And now last is what?
Yes. Okay. And now I have garlic with lemon and olive oil. I know.
Mmm.
And now we will cover it.
And we're done. Now we cook it.
A few moments later.
Wara'a Enab is complete. Bon appetito.
Bon appetito.
Sauteing.
Have to put like this.
Oh, can I be like the turkey guy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Slowly. No, not like this. Slowly.